MP jongka Lok Sabha Natura, Saleng Sangma, Ubalong Ru MLA Berim jongka Gambagri Constituency, Ulaong, ba Mijirang ba kajenla Conrad Sangma, Ïalam ya baru ki minister jongka sarkar ka jong ketara jau speaker, deputy speaker, bat baru ki MLA, kemudian ka kunhun MDA, menlai election nagam ta ka kurim jong kebanyakan ka election sitang sambai na Gambagri Constituency. Lengba juga ni, Saleng Ulaong bakalong lupa ka jeng job nagam ta ki ba juga Gambagri Constituency. Kampera da job ke Congress, ke TMC, nek NPP ru nrai ki ba jong ke constituency kila job depan namar baki he ki han jong sarkar kila pilot sekate ke jaka bandrong lut iki triu yeng banrul iki kendong construct ke ba kemjurong ru menu bakan ke nyarap nagam ta ki ba banyo ya karoi kapar. Shu Saleng ulo angru ba kampat juja kot aka history jong ke jela ba menteri rang ba bat ki minister baro ken rung lut laman ki triu yeng balai la bialap election hakan ke kenti ke pemerintah. Hakabedai baka jeng lay Ïalam election ke jong nakalyang Saleng ulo ong ba nadu ka pot buile election umjilik kro satyalan ni umjilik krong yaka vote ni kipat ba ni open ibet dak report card hakabedai baka jeng trekam ke jong
You see, I have not seen Chief Minister campaigning door to door in any of the constituency, not even in his constituency. But right now he's jumping up to the area where he was supposed not to also. But I'm glad and happy that he could see, through the Gambigri, that what are the area that needed to be projected to. Okay. Now, because of his wife only, he is going door to door and colony to colony and village to village. I'm happy that now, this by-election has pulled down each and every minister, pull them down to the ground to see what are the reality that people are facing.
So, but how
This Ambigri election has definitely given them the lesson, whether we win or lose. But I think I have won the battle. Or not returning, but Congress has won the election. You know why? Because all the ministers, speakers, and every MLA is going to each and every corner of my own constituency, Gambegre, whereas they had never dreamed and even, dreamed of going to the colonies where they never, never wanted to also. But now, see, this Gambegre by-election has pulled them down like anything. And then, they are begging for votes. See the importance of people right now? Always wins the election of the ruling party. You got my point? It's the people who always won the election. People of Gambegre has won the election, I'm telling you. It's not the Congress, it's not the NPP, it's not the TMC. People of Gambegre has won the election right now. You got my point? Have you ever seen Speaker, Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, everybody going to each and every household before? All 50 MLAs, ministers are going down to one constituency and seeing the problem and trying to address the problem of the people. See the power of people. Idiotically nonsense to believe that one, since they are already hand in glove with the BJP right now, right here in the state, and they are hand in glove with the being in the government. Whom they think right now they are trying to fool anybody? Tell me, are we nonsense? Not only money, they have already used all the government ministries out there, which I loved it. You got it? I loved it because now people can see and people can feel. When they are strong, they can pull down even the chief minister and the speaker to the ground.
So, in one of the public...
Have you not seen my speeches out there? I've told them, I've asked them also, do not vote if you have not seen any development. And in certain areas, I've asked for, apologize them, if I could not reach to certain areas. So I don't beg for vote. You see, I ask them to look at the report cards of each and every year, what I have done, what I have not done actually. If you don't have a progress report, don't go back. Got it? I've given them the progress report. From the day one, there was not even a single developmental. When they are talking about a developmental, they're insulting their own their own fathers. Chief P.A. Sangma has been the union minister. P.A. Sangma has been the speaker, and then at that time there were, even the state were under him. His brother-in-law were the ministers at that time. At Malke Sangma, Gopinath, all of them were a minister. So, if the Garo Hills is backward, they should blame their own people. You got my point. 47 years is not a matter of joke. I was not even born at that time.